South Africa has officially launched a new era of efficiency and security of travel. I'm Leon Schreiber, the Minister of Home Affairs for South Africa, here to introduce the Electronic Travel Authorization, or ETA, which makes traveling to our country faster and easier while using cutting-edge technology to make South Africa more secure. This is more than a digital visa. It is the foundation of a new digital immigration system that proves we do not have to choose between better service delivery and stronger security. We are delivering both. It all begins before you even leave home. The ETA brings the travel authorization process directly to you, wherever you are in the world. Simply visit the ETA platform at eta.dha.gov.za and begin your application online. No embassy visit, no paperwork, no standing in a queue. A process that used to depend on paperwork is now digital from start to finish. Create your secure profile, enter your details, and verify your information. The process is simple for the traveler, but behind that simplicity is a powerful new security system. Using your mobile device, securely scan your passport and complete a quick biometric selfie. Advanced biometric technology verifies that you are who you say you are, while machine learning helps identify fraud and risk before a traveler even reaches our shores. Once approved, your ETA is available digitally on your device. Save it to your mobile wallet and you are ready to travel. No paperwork to carry. Your secure digital journey to South Africa has already begun. The same secure digital identity created at home now travels with you all the way to beautiful South Africa. When you arrive, the experience is just as seamless. Present your ETA and complete a quick biometric verification. Within moments, your identity is securely matched against the information already captured by the system. Faster for legitimate travelers, stronger against fraud and abuse. Welcome to South Africa. And the ETA does not stop working once you have arrived. If you are eligible to extend your visitor's visa for another 90 days, you can do so through the same secure platform. No paperwork, no queues. And this is only the beginning. The ETA will progressively extend to additional visa categories as we build a fully digital immigration system. Travel to South Africa has never been easier or more secure.